But we got It's Just Jake on an e-bike before GTA 6. You might even have It's Just Jake on an e-bike in GTA 6, you never know. Might have some Starks in there. Might have been recording, dog. Yes, sir. But boys, here she is, the new whip. This is a brand new Starkvarg SM. I don't remember all of like the differences with the SM from just converting like a EX with Supermoto wheels. I think on the SMs the fork geometry and stuff is a little different just to fit more Supermoto style riding wheels and stuff like that. If I hit that one more time, bro, I don't know. I think everything's pretty much identical though, besides just a little bit of tweaks for more Supermoto style riding, I guess. Even though this thing's not going to be ridden as it was probably intended for, like a track. But yeah, I did not buy this thing for the track. Obviously, if you guys watch my content, I like Supermotos. I used to like sport bikes, but now I'm straight. I'm just kidding. No, I still like sport bikes, but I think that chapter's kind of over for me. But yeah, dude, we like stunting Supermotos. We like messing around, trying not to get in trouble, just having fun on these things. I don't think this thing will ever see a track, really. Just want to wheelie around with my boys. Dude, this thing looks so freaking sick.
Nice bike.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. I mean, it does look kind of just like any other 450 Supermoto, you know, but it looks like they kind of Tesla-fied a 450 and made it just super clean and sleek. Like, I love this thing. I don't even know if I'm going to put graphics on it. I usually would get some bold graphics, but I don't know, dude. This looks so freaking clean. Got like a little bit of the forged carbon and stuff, and it is weird getting used to one thing, like not having a gear that you can like put it in so it doesn't roll and stuff. It's just, it's either on or off, you know. That's better when you like boom, 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 get some videos. I'm gonna do that real quick, hold up. Just trying to get some clips, but like there's houses all in the background and I'm OCD and I just can't get the freaking clips that I want, you know. Ooh, my bad. I didn't mean to do that. I'm not trying to tear it up. I want to see too, I'm at 90% right now, and this kind of keeps track of like how much you use. I kind of want to just like monitor the range, I guess, because I've ridden this a little bit. It's got like almost 40 miles on it is all, but we've been trucking them like to the lot back and forth, so I haven't really been paying attention to like range or anything like that. But this thing's so fast, bro. I'm in the 40 horsepower mode right now and I'm just barely touching. You're just going. Let's be on our way. It's like the same as the 450, but it's not. It's like super different. The balance and obviously the riding style and stuff is there, but not having a clutch and having just that instant like pop of torque, it makes it so weird. See, now I can come into places like this and not bother these nice gentlemen playing tennis. See, it's just so easy, like no stalling, and like I don't know, dude, it's different. Like I didn't buy this to replace the 450 at all. I still have the WR and might even get like a second one, a YZ or something. So like I didn't buy this to replace the 450s, but it's just a fun like second bike, I guess. It's kind of fun to have something different and still the same but different. Let's see if we can make it around this dog. Not at all. I suck, dude. I gotta warm up. I'm taking it a little bit easy today too. I have like new tattoos all up this arm, all up this arm. So I'm trying to keep them off the sun and keep them attached to my body. Dude, I suck. Okay, we'll come back to this. But no, I don't think this is like my entry into e-bikes or whatever. Like I'm not doing the Saronster thing, and I'm not gonna go dancing around on my seat and wearing a bicycle helmet that's not even buckled, like that kind of stuff like the e-bike kids are doing. But I don't know, I just wanted something a little different. I've been through my sport bike chapter, over that. Had plenty of time on the 450s. Obviously still have those though. But I don't know, I just want something different and fun. This thing has been a blast. One thing I do hate about this thing though is with e-bikes, you can hear every single little sound that you would never want to hear on your motorcycle. Like when the front wheel comes down and the brake pads like catch up and it clunks, all the sounds I usually wouldn't hear, you just hear it all day long on this. You kind of gotta like get over it and just let them happen. I just went to freaking shift down into neutral. Like it takes so much getting used to, dude. And I told myself I wouldn't go on main roads, but here we are. We used 1% so far with 2.3 miles. Oh, come on. Like, bro, it's just so easy. No gears or nothing. You just put it up whenever you want. Knee knocker scrape this thing. I've been scraping this thing a lot, but this has like, I'm gonna hop off and show you. But yeah, I've been scraping this thing a lot, and I'm kind of worried that if I scrape this too much, it's gonna mess something else up. So we gotta either cut this off, get a little tie block or something. But around the corner. That smells like dookie over here, bro. God. You just can't keep the front wheel down, bro. And like I said, this is only in 42, and we're definitely going down that path because oh shit, that's so tight. That's what she said. What is down here, bro? That's kind of cool though. Oh, it comes out right there. You hear that fan going, dude? It sounds like a freaking Tesla. Yeah, this isn't sponsored in any way by Lithium Power Sports, but that's why I ordered this from Lithium Power Sports. The customer service and everything was like literally top notch, and I was kind of concerned because I've never like ordered an e-bike from anywhere, and it's kind of a weird process. Like you can just order a straight up $14,000 motorcycle and have it shipped to your door. So I was a little like hesitant, but Lithium Power Sports has been awesome. Customer service was perfect. I called him the day that I bought it, the morning of, and he's like, yo, if you buy it, I'll have it shipped out here within an hour or two. And sure enough, it was here like 3 days later. Have a whole freaking Stark Varg at my doorstep. It's kind of cool too, like assembling your own bike and stuff like that. Only thing I did run into is, I don't think this is a Lithium Power Sport problem. I think this was straight from Stark. They forgot to supply the front caliper bolts for the front brake. So I built this thing almost completely and had to wait like a whole week and a half, 2 weeks or something before I was able to get some new bolts to me. And so I had to get a ticket with Stark. They got some shipped to me, and everyone's been saying how bad the customer service is with Stark as well. Like, don't get an answer for months and months and barely get any help when you do get an answer. But I had a response within the next day, and then the next 2 days I had some shipped out to me. I had a tracking number and everything, so I haven't had any problems with Stark Varg, like customer service or anything like that yet. Yeah, they responded super quick and got me new bolts like right away. So oh my god, that sounded horrible. That's why I'm not scraping this thing anymore, dude. Did you hear that? Dude, it sounds so gnarly with this little fender. Like, I don't want to break anything. Oh my god! It just started being. I went wide open and she just started swirling. I'm still in the 40 horsepower too. That is gnarly, dude. That's like... Like, look at this, bro. Like, doesn't stall, no clutch. I could like park this thing on the rear wheel right there and just leave it. Mama! Oh, scratch my bike. Put this thing up in a higher mode. 80 horsepower. Oh my god! This thing should be illegal, dude. I haven't wheelied in 80 yet. Oh my god! Yeah, no, no, no! Take me back! Take me back! 40. Fellow Tesla brother. This road's so bumpy. 7.1 miles. We've used, I think, 10%, 9%. Not too shabby, bro. LDS gang up in here. Like, bro, just standing straight up. Still not stalling. Love it. Freaking love it. But like I said, I am waiting on a handbrake for this thing, so I'm stupid excited to get that because circles and stuff. Last time I had a bike with a handbrake was a Grom, and right when I started getting like pretty decent at circles and stuff, I sold the Grom. Haven't had any handbrake practice since then, so got the handbrake coming for this thing. I gotta get one ordered for the WR. Gonna get our circle game back down. Alright, I had to come back because I was freaking cooking. It's like 90 out there right now. But the Starkey, I'm stoked for that freaking handbrake to get here because that's gonna open up a whole new world. Like I said, I don't know if we're gonna do graphics because right now it's just like, it's super clean and I kind of like it. Maybe I'll just start throwing some carbon on and stuff. Try to find some more like forged carbon to kind of match. Because on the WR, we got a bunch of just like normal weave carbon going on. It'd be kind of cool to do some forged on this thing. But yeah, boys, there she is. Starkvarg SM. Not a sponsored video, unfortunately. This thing was very expensive, but borderline could have almost bought an R1 for the same price. But I think I'll have a lot more fun on this thing. So yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.